Have you ever wondered if you've already missed the crypto opportunity, or if right now could be the perfect time to enter before the next major bull run? Every generation has its defining moment of wealth creation. The stock market boom of the 1980s, the internet revolution of the early 2000s, and now, the rise of cryptocurrency. The question isn't whether crypto is here to stay, it's whether you will be part of it before it becomes fully mainstream. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether now is the right time to invest in cryptocurrency and how you can do it wisely. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any updates. If you want to stay ahead in the world of digital finance and learn strategies that can help you build real wealth through cryptocurrency, you're in the right place. Let's begin. Cryptocurrency has transformed from a niche idea into a global financial movement. What started with Bitcoin over a decade ago has evolved into a trillion-dollar market that includes thousands of coins, blockchain networks, and decentralized applications. Big institutions, billion-dollar companies, and even governments are now taking crypto seriously. The biggest financial firms, such as BlackRock and Fidelity, are introducing crypto ETFs and investment products. Banks and fintech platforms like PayPal are integrating digital currency features. This kind of large-scale adoption signals that crypto is moving from speculation to legitimacy. Now, when people ask if it's a good time to invest, timing is everything. Historically, the best time to invest in cryptocurrency has been during periods of stability or mild decline, before the next major uptrend begins. The market works in cycles, periods of excitement and hype known as bull markets, followed by sharp corrections known as bear markets. After every major bear market, crypto has always come back stronger than before. Those who entered during the quieter times were the ones who saw the biggest returns when the next bull run began. If you look at 2018 or 2022, investors who held through those tough periods saw life-changing profits later. Right now, the crypto market is in one of those transitional phases again, where accumulation is happening quietly while the next big wave builds up. The next key point to understand is how cryptocurrency fits into the bigger financial picture. With inflation, uncertainty in traditional markets, and global economic shifts, investors are looking for alternatives that can protect and grow their wealth. Cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin and Ethereum, has started to play that role as a hedge against inflation and as a store of value. While it is still volatile, its long-term trajectory has been upward because the demand continues to rise while the supply remains limited. Bitcoin, for example, is capped at 21 million coins, and with each halving event, the number of new coins created is reduced. This scarcity is one of the main reasons analysts expect Bitcoin's value to continue increasing over time. However, investing in crypto is not just about buying a coin and hoping for the best. It's about understanding where the technology is heading. The blockchain world is expanding rapidly beyond simple transactions. Decentralized finance, known as DeFi, is reshaping how we borrow, lend, and earn interest without the need for banks. The rise of NFTs has changed the concept of ownership and digital identity. Layer 2 scaling solutions are improving transaction speed and cost, making crypto more practical for everyday use. These developments show that crypto is evolving from a speculative asset into a functional, technology-driven ecosystem. Still, it's important to remember that the crypto market is not risk-free. Prices can fluctuate dramatically within short periods, and many new investors make emotional decisions that lead to losses. The key to success is discipline and strategy. If you are investing now, you should take a long-term perspective, ideally 3 to 5 years or more. Instead of trying to time the market perfectly, consider a method called dollar-cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of the price. This strategy helps smooth out volatility and removes the pressure of predicting short-term movements. Diversifying your portfolio is also crucial. While Bitcoin and Ethereum remain the most reliable assets, a small allocation to promising altcoins like Solana, Chainlink, or Polygon can provide higher returns if chosen wisely. Regulation is another major factor influencing the crypto space today. In the early years, lack of regulation created uncertainty, but that is changing. Governments worldwide are now introducing clearer guidelines, and institutions are entering the market because they see crypto as a legitimate part of the financial future. This shift toward regulation can actually help reduce scams, improve transparency, and attract more mainstream investors, which could lead to further price stability and growth. So, is it good to invest in cryptocurrency now? The answer depends on your mindset. If you're looking for a quick profit or trying to get rich overnight, then crypto may not be right for you. But if you believe in innovation, decentralization, and the future of digital money, then this is one of the most promising times to start building your position. The world is still early in crypto adoption. Less than 5% of the global population actively owns cryptocurrency. As technology improves and accessibility grows, that number will increase, and with it, the potential for massive long-term gains. Always remember that crypto rewards patience, education, and strategy. It's not about chasing hype, it's about understanding value. Many of the wealthiest crypto investors today didn't buy at the top. They bought when others were fearful, when the market was quiet, and when the opportunities were less obvious. That's exactly where we are now, a period of calm before the next major wave. If you decide to invest now, focus on learning and staying updated. Follow credible sources, watch the market trends, and understand the fundamentals behind each project you invest in. Protect your assets by using secure wallets and never risk money you can't afford to lose. The future of crypto is bright, but it favors those who approach it with knowledge, patience, and discipline. As we wrap up, if you found this video valuable, make sure to like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I'd love to hear what you think about the future of cryptocurrency and whether you believe now is the right time to invest. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest strategies and updates that can help you grow your portfolio. This is your guide to financial freedom through crypto education and smart investing. You've been watching Crypto Millionaire Secrets, where knowledge creates wealth. See you in the next video.